Hello, this is Philip Herman, your artist in residence. This is a little video project I call Looking Over the Artist's Shoulder. I'm the artist, and these are some quick caricatures that I did at a all-girls party at a country club in Westchester in early 2010. I was drawing heads and bodies in color, and I mounted a small video camera on my drawing table to record this as if you were standing there watching me at the party. People generally ask me why I wear the black glove on my drawing hand, as in this case, and the answer is simple. It allows me to draw more quickly. And the other glove that I wear, in this case the brightly colored glove with the little speckles on it, that is my coloring glove. It allows me to blend and apply the chalk and mix colors and facial tones quickly and easily in a party situation. Our phone number is 845-357-3318, Party Art Productions, Inc. My name is Philip Herman. My websites are philiphermanart.com, artistphilipherman.wordpress.com, and personalityportraits.com. That's personalitee-portraits.com. Although I call what I do caricatures, as you can see by these examples, which are very typical, I don't actually make fun of the face. I do a quick cartoon likeness, either in black and white or color. And generally, I draw the person doing whatever they ask me to have them doing. This particular party, all of the girls were drawn as if they were popping out of a pre-printed Tiffany blue box. You can see a portion of the Tiffany blue box in the lower and lower right portion of the camera. I have been in the business of drawing quick portraits at parties for over 20 years in the New York area. I also do life-size cutouts, sign-in boards, centerpieces, table decorations, invitations, and almost any type of artwork you can think of relating to people celebrating, people's events, corporate parties. At this particular party, I drew full-color caricatures of about 50 girls in a 4-hour party. I was situated to one side of the dance floor. There was a DJ, there was food. I did not interfere with the games or any candle lighting or any announcements, celebrations, or anything else that was happening at the party. We coordinated everything so that the whole event flowed very nicely from beginning to end. Once again, my name is Philip Herman, Philipherman. My two main websites are philiphermanart.com and artistofthedeal.com. My phone number is 845-357-3318. Doing business as Party Art Productions, Inc. I have quite a few other videos on YouTube And on some of the websites I mentioned, I have extensive examples of girls' and boys' sign-in boards, sign-in books, centerpieces, life-size cutouts, table cutouts, and many, many other applications of original art for parties and entertainers for parties. Thank you for watching. I hope I can be of service to you in the future. If you ever need art for a party, please call me at Party Art, Philip Herman, 845-357-3318. Thank you.